Very good. Now play exactly the same sound, but now you're doing it 2 on each hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. Excellent. Now we go back to the other one. 1 and 1. Very good. Now I want you to play the same sound on the bass drum. For that you have to put your foot on the footprint of the bass drum, right there. See that print over there? And all you have to do, maybe you have to sit closer to the bass drum. That's right. Let me move it a bit. That's right. Now, can you reach the bass drum? Yes? That's right, yes. So all you have to do is that's right. Excellent. That's only one sound. What I want you to do right now is to break it down in between two sounds. Bass drum, snare, bass drum. One at a time. Bass drum, snare. Yes. Very good. They're almost there. Now you have to use this hand. How do we do that? See this pedal here? Put your other leg right there. Keep the cymbals close. Close. Are you right-handed or left? Right. Then, keep this one close. Press it. With the foot. That's right. Keep it there. So it will be close. That's right. Now with your right hand, I want you to play here. That's right. Keep it doing. Keep it close. That's right. Very good. So now you're doing exactly the same thing that you were doing before with your bass. Now it's time to put everything together. So remember that you were doing bass drum, snare, bass drum, snare. Alright? Do that again, but every time you hit the bass drum, you hit this. Every time you hit the snare, you hit this one too. Yeah, that's right. At the same time. So whenever you hit this one hits here too. It will be this movement. Two of them at the same time. Do this. See my hands? Wow. Good. Now bass drum and then the two hands. Wow. It's like a call and response. Let me show you. Let me show you. I call it a call and response, a conversation between the drums. This one asks the question, this one answers. This you were doing correctly, no problem. Now it's time to use this other hand. On this other hand, every time that I hit this bass drum, I play here. Now it's two sounds. Now the answer will be this. But every time that I hit this one here, I use this one too. So it will be this. Two sounds in one. Now I put the two of them together. So every time that I hit the bass drum,